Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to turn off active status on Snapchat. So, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Snapchat application. So here you will go to your messages and at the top corner there is your bit emoji. You will simply tap on your bit emoji. So here at the top there is a settings option. You will simply tap on settings. Here you will simply scroll down. Here is activity indicator. You will simply tap on activity indicator. So here you will simply turn it off. So your active status will be turned off. So this is the simple process of turning off the activity status on Snapchat. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.